Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie 2026. So this will be my first episode for the year, and we'll do a throwback when it comes to gadgets and techs. And I'm gonna show it to you yung isang gadget na with me more than 3 years na, almost 4. And it's super sulit, no? Kung naghahanap kayo ng Bluetooth speakers, if you're trying to find Bluetooth speakers that are affordable and effective, especially sa bass niya, if you like mga bass sound na tumutunog, at you could use it for testing din, no? Yung mga recordings nyo sa videos nyo, especially sa mga bagong YouTubers dyan, I could recommend this Bluetooth speakers, no? Without hesitation. So, ito this is the Tilex XM20, okay? So Tilex XM20, it's been with me for more than 3 years na, almost 4. And I would say, hindi sayang yung pera nyo, okay? I think this cost around almost 7 to 1,000 pesos these days. Naalala ko when I bought it 3 to 4 years ago, it was around 500 to 600 pesos. Hindi pa yata siya 700 pesos nun. And you could buy this sa Shopee and Lazada. Okay? Preferably, pumunta kayo dun sa Tilex. You go to the Tilex shop. Okay? You could buy this also here in my YouTube channel. I'll post tag here, a link to the sellers in Tilex. Okay? And what else? I love this gadget. I love this Bluetooth speaker because I use it sa editing ko, and if I'm gonna do a sound check, ito yung ginagamit kong speakers, no? Nilalagay ko sa 80 to 100% volume and to check my audio output sa mga videos ko. And also, if I want to watch movies, no, na Netflix or TV series, ito din yung bino-Bluetooth ko sa laptop ko. Or if you want to connect it to your TV, meron din siyang aux output, and you just need to use a aux cable, auxiliary cable na audio cable to connect it to your TV in old school, ha. Much better if you connect it via cable or wire na aux, kasi mas controlled mo yung frequency na dumadaan mula in output ng sound ng TV mo going to the speakers. So, mas preferred ko actually ang wired connection versus wireless. Because sometimes wireless, pag nagkakataon, nawawala ng connection, di ba? So, mas reliable ang wired. So, what else? So, we will be moving into the specifications of this. So, cut through the video. Okay guys, so ito yung Tilex XM20, no? So we'll be discussing some physical features before we move into the technical specs. So ito yung makikita nyo sa tuktok or on the top of Tilex XM20. You'll see the logo. By the way, this is like false. There should be a tweeter here, but we only have a subwoofer. Okay, so I think they still kept this design, and hopefully they put a tweeter already. Okay, but for the meantime, this model doesn't have a tweeter here, but a subwoofer. Okay, so on top again, you can see there's the volume knob here, and this one is where you place your cell phone, like so, or like so, nakatayo, standing up, vertical or horizontal, in case you're watching a Netflix movie or any streaming movie that you do. Later on, we'll do some sound tests. Hopefully, we could use no copyright music. So again, here's the top. This is the knob, volume knob. And when you turn it on, you'll hear a on sound or sound effects. And then you'll have this one. This basically is related to the Bluetooth. So when you turn it on, it will search for your device. Now, and on top is the play and pause. The bottom here is play and pause. This one is M, so you could select some modes. This is also where you press to do the TWS to pair this one with another Tilex XM20, and this one is basically skip the file, backwards, forwards, forwards, backwards. Okay, so that's on the top plus the handle. It's made of plastic. Okay, and this is how you carry it. By the way, this is like around 12 inches in length, about that, and it's a very lightweight. Okay, it's lightweight. And on front, again, this is the fake tweeter, so don't mind that. So this is the speaker in front with the perforated grills, and this is the exhaust. And on the bottom, I guess you have 4 legs, cute 4 legs, but again without the rubber stopper. It's supposed to have a rubber stopper. And at the back, this is how it looks on the side. Parang kotse, it looks like a car. It has some design here. And at the back, you could see this is the USB port, and this one is a TF card. If you still have those, and this one is for the aux cable, and this one is for the charging part, the micro USB, and this one is for the light. If you turn this on, there's a party light, ring party light in front. You could use that if you want to. So it's made up of LED lights, obviously. There. So if you don't want this, you just basically turn this off. So this is how it looks like. Remember, the light goes steady when it's connected to the cell phone or any device that you will pair this with, okay, to play music. Okay, this time we'll test some music. Let's hope it's not copyright. There's no copyright problem. So here.
Nokia and Apple both had market caps of $80 billion. 5 years later, Apple was $400 billion, Nokia was $20 billion. So 20-fold difference. That's just one small example of the impact innovation can have. AI is going to impact virtually every industry we can think of. I think the rate of change is accelerating, and it's almost hard to imagine where we're going to be in 10 or 20 years.
2025 was officially the worst year for the United States dollar in nearly a decade, and now the question on every investor's mind is what's coming in 2026 for the dollar? A weaker dollar means more inflation, which means you need more money to buy that extra guac. And now with the Federal Reserve Bank officially turning on the money printer again, it is expected that the dollar is going to continue to become weaker as inflation continues to go up. So you want to start preparing, because most people are not going to realize this until they start to feel the pain in their bank account.
The Tilex XM20 is a popular budget-friendly tower-style portable speaker. Its main draw is the larger drive size compared to standard pocket speakers, which gives it a bit more of an oomph. Here are the basic specifications, including the wattage of Tilex XM20. Core specification: output power is 10 watts. Driver size is 4 inches. Full frequency subwoofer. It has a Bluetooth version 5.0. Range of approximate 10 meters. Battery capacity inside of this is a 1,200 milliamp, 3.7 volts. Input power is DC 5 volts, 1.0A to 2.0A. Okay. Connectivity and features: inputs, well, of course, there's Bluetooth, aux cable, or 3.5 mm of aux, and USB drive, and a TF micro SD card up to 32 GB. It can read up to 32 GB. Okay. What else? It has a TWS support. You can pair two of these XM20 speakers together for a wireless stereo setup. The design includes a built-in mobile phone holder on top, a physical volume knob, and racing lantern RGB. There you go. Which the switch is located here at the right side. Okay. Since it's a 10-watt speaker with a 4-inch driver, it's pretty loud for a medium-sized room or a small outdoor gathering. But it's best kept at around 80% volume to avoid distortions. So that's the basic specs of the Tilex XM20. Mic test 1 2 3. Mic test 1 2 3. This is Charlie Jose, and you're watching Upstream Charlie. Happy New Year!